See when I ride out, bumble.
It's VQs.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one. Them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man I tell them me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, on the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me a dancing.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga.
Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me I never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the roll. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, bad man on the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl, them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show. Bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me a dancing.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one nigga.
Call me emergency. Original Batman. One time. He's butty baby. VQs.
Mix it.
Yeah, no. Lego.
Alrighty guys, so this is the finished look of this super pretty unit right here, guys. So starting off, this unit was actually sent to me from JurllyShe, which is formerly known as African Mall. So as you guys can see, this is a lace frontal unit, guys. It's 13 by 4. The texture on this unit is a Jerry curl texture, which you guys can see it's super curly, super pretty. Now this unit is 180% density, guys, 10 inches long. So it's the perfect density and the perfect length for the summertime, especially because it's hot AF out. So I really appreciate the length and everything. So I did go ahead and customize this unit, which you guys did see. I went in and bleached the knots on this one. I did not go in and tweeze it just because I felt like, you know what, let me see what it's like without tweezing it. Originally when I got this unit, I did not want to do baby hair magic, so that's what I went for anyways. I did use a Got To Be Glue Blasting Free Spray to adhere this down, just simply because it's so simple. It fit my hairline pretty well, so I didn't need to do all that kind of glue stuff. So I just used the Got To Be Glue Blasting Free Spray, and this wig is pretty secure on my head. One thing that I did do to the unit to change it a little, guys, is just customize the front pieces right here. Because this is a bob form and I just felt like it had a lot of body, I wanted to kind of do like a little bit of a layered bang look. So I do think I like it this way. I was gonna do a side part, but middle part is slayful. I feel like the middle part just looks so pretty. Highlights in this unit would actually look really nice for the autumn, so I might go ahead and do like some nice light highlights in it just to set it off. But all in all, guys, I really think that this unit is super cute, guys. I will turn around, or probably already turned around and show you guys the back, but you guys saw the back. The back is amazing. It's a really nice curl cut and everything like that. I did co-wash this unit, guys, so I did put in some Cantu leave-in conditioner after I washed it after the bleach process. So with all my curly units, you guys know me, I love the Cantu leave-in conditioner. It just makes the curls pop, and you guys can see how super defined the curls on my head. There is absolutely not one, like, there's all definition. There's like no not, you know what I mean. But all in all, guys, I think that this came out super cute. Definitely a great transitional unit as well, guys, from summer to fall. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'll leave all the information down below per usual. But do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video. Leave your comments down below. Subscribe and share this video with your friends and family, people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.